Hello, my first grade friends. I hope that you are well rested and ready to go this Monday morning. I'm super excited that we get to have another full week of learning and some fun. You guys did phenomenal last week for phonics and all your other subjects, but I'm super proud of you and I'm excited to start this week with you. So today is Monday, April 6th. We are going to be working on Phonics 122. That's the lesson that we are on. And before we get started, if you have not already went through and said some of your phonics card sounds, pull that out and just pick a few, flip to a page, and just to have them fresh in your mind, say all those phonics sounds with those cards. Make sure you do that each lesson just to kind of have it fresh on your mind and just to review. It's always nice to review and to remember things that we've learned. That way it sticks with us always. So go ahead and do that if you have not. Today we're going to learn a new sound, and it's a new sound that letter A can make. But before we learn that, let's review the sounds that A, that we already know that A makes. We know that A, the long vowel A, says A. We know the short vowel A says A. And then from a few weeks back in school, we have this sound that letter A can make. And it actually is the tricky sound. Remember, A can also say like banana. So we know the three sounds so far that we know A can make. A, I, And today we're going to learn about a new sound. And it actually doesn't even have like a real name to it. We just call it special A. So this is special A, and this is how we code it. We're going to code it with two dots on top of it. And the special A actually says like a short vowel O. So wallet. So A can say like wallet. So that's our new sound for today. Let's go ahead and let's do these words together, and I want you to tell me what sound you hear in the medial position. Remember, medial means middle. So tell me the sound you hear in the middle position, the medial position, in all of these words. Repeat after me. Echo me. Tall, small, fall. Good. So you know in the medial position, what sound do you hear? You should have said you heard the sound, like in wallet. I'm going to put that here so that way you can remember. All right. So I hear the word or the sound in the middle of So I'm going to code it with two dots on top. And we know that the two L's, they don't say look. Okay, so we cross out one of the L's at the end. Tall. The word is small. The medial position you hear in this word is the small. We're going to cross out the L at the end. And then the other word is fall. So I'm going to cut it with my two dots and cross out the L at the end. All right, let's do some more practice at the bottom with these words. This first word is wasp. Wasp. So I'm going to put my two dots at the top because the word's not wasp. We know it says like wallet. The next word is wand. So I'm going to code it with the two dots up top because I wouldn't say wand. That wouldn't make sense. And then the last word is watch. Watch. So I'm going to code my A with the two dots. And this is a trigraph, TCH. So I'm going to underline it and mark out my T for watch. All right, so today for your lesson 122, you should have your sheet out in front of you that looks like this. I want you to go ahead and practice coding numbers 16 through 25. Remember, we're skipping the front parts, numbers 1 through 15, so I just want you to practice coding those words with our special A sound. All right, good luck today. Do great. Bye-bye.